It is Saturday morning. It is the first day of the holidays. It's very exciting. It's usually my first day of the holidays. I'm nice and relaxed. I'm just trying to get into the swing of being on holiday. I might have a few goals set for the day, but generally speaking, my goal is just to relax. It's to watch a bit of Netflix. It's to chill. It's to eat some nice food. And I love that. It's one of my favorite things. However, I woke up this morning with somebody called Charles Harrison, and he this morning is on a mission to declutter the house, and he's currently in the loft throwing things about. Today we are going to the charity shop to donate stuff, and we also go to the tip to throw away stuff. So I was thinking this would be quite appropriate for my channel, so I'm going to vlog this. And also I'm not very good at vlogging, so this is going to be a good test for me because I keep on like filming some stuff and then just not uploading any of it. So today is all about the declutter, but we'll go check on him. We'll go see how he's doing. Oh, we'll do an outfit of the day as well. What am I wearing? I'm just wearing some jeans. And I'm wearing a mock neck. And I didn't know this was called a mock neck till recently. There's Babes, just a pair of Levi's. And some slippers. I've paired them with some slippers. Right, so how are you doing?
The hardest thing is knowing where to start, but I have started.
That's good.
And I just started by whatever was closest to me, moving it.
Good thinking. Is that your top tip?
Genuinely, yes, just start.
Most of this stuff is the landlord's.
About 80% of it is the landlord's, yeah. He's got so much fancy dress stuff. All of this is fancy dress, all outfits and costumes and caps. He's got about 100 caps.
But I mean, he can't need them, but we can't fill them.
No, well, we're not going to chuck any of his stuff. We're just going to tidy his stuff.
And I can't piece together who our landlord is with all of this stuff. Like,
it's really weird because he's got lots of like Marilyn Manson and like tattoo rock culture stuff. Yeah. But then he's also got the biggest collection of football hooligan books I've ever seen.
He's also got a doll's house. That there is a doll's house. I'm gonna give you a hand. I think I am dressed too nicely, so I'm gonna go get changed again. In fact, I tell you what I might do, Charles. I might have a little breakfast as well because I'm feeling a bit wiki woos. Are you wanting anything?
No, I don't.
Okay. Updated outfit of the day: Leonard Cohen t-shirt and some York shorts. There's York on the bum. Anyway, I'm gonna go grab a little bit of breakfast, I think, because it's gonna be quite tiring, I think. And not because it's a tiring thing particularly, but because I'm easily tired. Is this exciting? I don't know. This is the problem with vlogging. Do you like this? Are you bored? I don't know. I'm not very good at vlogging. I don't know how often I should be picking up the camera, but currently I think I filmed every single thing about my day. So I thought I would show you a little bit of what I've been working on. Because I stand, is this a nice angle? I feel like this is a good angle. I know I should be upstairs helping Charles in the loft, but I'm not. I'm here with you, so yeah, he's fine. The topic that's really sparked things for me over the past couple of weeks is obviously minimalism and veganism are two things that are very, very important to me, and I'm assuming at least one of those things is important to you as well if you follow me. And I see veganism as like an antidote to lack of compassion, and I see minimalism as an antidote to like self-absorption and consumerism, and I think both of those things are incredibly important. So everything I've been writing recently, you could listen to the lyrics and think that it was about maybe a relationship or about love or that type of thing, but it's about the frustration that I have felt trying to converse with people where you can't overstep the mark. You believe something so much, and I'm sure regardless of what you believe, you'll probably experience this as well. Actually, I'm probably being very dismissive of people, and I don't mean to do that. But if you believe something and you think it's gonna make the world a better place, or you think that you can help improve someone's life, but you can't say it without being too boastful or too bossy, like you have to be so tactful, and usually you end up being so tactful that you say nothing of value at all. Yeah, like this line here. I want to tell you just how far your choices leak, but I don't want to argue, so I will just choose not to speak. Out past the skyline, as though the ripples weren't mine, but I'm getting bored now of nodding along, is one of the verses there. Of all of the topics that I've ever written about, because I try writing about veganism just as a topic, but it's far too painful, and I usually sort of ended up quite upset. But this frustration is something that I feel constantly, because I feel like I feel like this channel is kind of the only place that I can really be maybe like straightforward. I don't have to hide anything, because I know as well that if you completely disagreed with anything that I said, or if you just didn't like the way I was coming across, you can just unsubscribe. People in real life can't unsubscribe from you, so you have to be careful. And you also have to represent the topic well, and that makes it really difficult, because you just want to say things as they are, but you can't. And that's what this is about anyway. I thought I would share that with you because I tend to keep my music stuff quite separate to my channel, apart from my fantastic accordion performances. Well done, you've made a very good dent.
I have made a very good dent.
Ah, hi Simba, I haven't seen you in a long time. Oh, he smells like loft. So this is where we're at now. We have taken some things downstairs into the bathroom. Can't see them, so I don't know why I'm showing you that. I think because we share the space with the landlord, it kind of gives us an excuse to keep crap up here. Because like, well, there's already crap up here, so we may as well put our crap up here. But yeah, really the fact that we have to assign something to loft status means we don't really need it anymore, isn't it?
Yeah, well, there's a few seasonal items like
we've got
and things like that.
Yeah, and we've got like the Christmas stuff. So I just want to introduce you to some of my childhood friends. So I think I'm going to get rid of all of these, which is big. And if you'd asked me before I had come into contact with them, I wouldn't think it that big. But here we are, it's quite big. We've got Simba, smells like loft. Stitch also smells like, smelling like loft is a big theme, I think, for things that have been in the loft. Then this is Sue, who wears this little slutty dress. Then this is Daisy the duck, who I got from Brazil when I went with my dad. My dad had a Brazilian girlfriend for a bit, and I went over, and her daughter gave me this. It is nice, isn't it? I don't know why I'm insisting on holding them all at the same time, but here we are. This is Benny, the bunny. This is Simon, who wears a Spider-Man costume. So I think we will donate all of these things that I am holding all at once. This is how it's looking now. Everything at this side is the landlord stuff. Then this is our stuff. So we've got like some cases for our instruments and camping gear and just a few like memory things, Christmas stuff, holiday things. That's about it really. There's everything around here is stuff that we're going to be giving to the charity shop or the bin. And this is Charles. Where are you going?
Where am I going?
Yeah, charity shop or bin.
I think I'm probably going straight into the bin.
This is Charles's chorister school photo. And are you the same age as everyone else here?
Same age as everyone else.
How tall are you there then?
This height. I've been 6'1" and a bit since I was 12. Are you deliberately keeping an old passport?
I just like having them because I passed it here. I think I've got loads of cool stamps in. I think this is when I'm like
really cool
going around Japan and stuff. Yeah, look. So I've got my Russian visa. Where am I? Here, Japan, Philippines, India, Australia, and Colombia. Just the stamps are too cool to get rid of that.
A jazzy rugby outfit.
Are you taller than everyone else again?
I am taller than everyone else, but not by the same amount. This was the year before, 2004.
Before you grew 2 foot in a month.
Arwie really likes the Hoover.
Arwie loves the Hoover. Look.
It's not even on, and she loves it.
Oh my god. I'm gonna shut myself up. How is she so calm?
Because she loves it.
She loves the Hoover. How come she loves the Hoover this much and hates bibs? Like, I would say...
Hates us.
that. Oh.
Right, gorgeous. Right, I'm going to go and hoover this horrible room and then we are done with the loft for the rest of our life.
Yay!
Bye, viewers.
Bye, everybody!
Bye, Abby.
Oh, Papa, I'm sorry. He's busy, my love. Here's wait, though.
Okay. Okay, Abby. There you go. Oh, she got sucked in.
Oh.
Did your hand get sucked into the vacuum?
So we've got bin, charity shop, and down here, charity shop, charity shop, charity shop, charity shop. Bin. Oh, I love this feeling. It feels so good. It feels so light.
Bin.
Ooh, that's an exciting bag of bags. There's so much dust in my throat from the loft.
Is the charity new socks?
No, that's bin.
Socks are going in the bin.
Well, yeah, they've got holes in.
Alright.
They're not going to be able to sell them, so. We are now at the tip. We are in a queue of people who also want to get rid of their shit.
Queue of minimalists?
Yeah.
Ironically, a very large queue.
Oh. So we are back from the dump and a very successful day of getting rid of stuff. And Charles has made some dinner. And look at this. This is the Iceland No Bull burger, which we're very much enjoying. And is it a Linda McCartney on top?
Half of McCartney, yeah.
And a half of a Linda McCartney on top. And what I can only describe as a crap load of chips, which is a good amount of chips in anyone's book, I'm sure. So I've just finished editing the vlog that this is the suffix to, and I didn't say goodbye or anything, so I just left it. So I've still got a lot of, I need to practice, I think I have a bit, I'd love to feel comfortable, like properly comfortable doing regular vlogs. That's kind of my goal at the moment. But I know it's one of the things that's going to take practice. It's going to take a hell of a lot of practice. So if you have any advice for me, I would really love you to leave it in the comments, because it's something I really would like to improve on. So please let me know, and thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you in my next video. Please feel free to follow me on Instagram, also check out my blog, and I will see you in the next video. Have a lovely week. I'll see you later. Goodbye.